Hi everyone, welcome. Today we're going to look at how to make parallel lines freehand. So we're going to start out with the segment. We'll create two segments here. So again, click on this segment button, segment tool, and I'll put, okay, so we'll make two segments, and they can just try your best to make them parallel. Let's go back here. All right, so I made two lines that I assume that are parallel. They might be parallel, so we have to check it. So let's draw so those two lines I assume are parallel. And let's draw a transverse line, okay? And we're gonna check it. So how do we check it? First, before you check it, you have to put a dot. So click on the point button right here. So click on that point button right there. Put a dot where they intersect. The transverse line intersects the parallel line. Okay, now we're ready. So we're going to use our corresponding angles. If the angles are the same, that means that angle G, we're looking at angle G here, this angle, and angle H right there, okay? Those two angles, if they're the same, that means the lines are parallel. So let's check it. So to check it, you have to scroll down until you hit circle. Or actually, let's see, can we find it? It should be, I think it is, compass, oh, right there, measure. We're gonna measure the angle here, hit that button right there, measure, okay? So we're going to choose points to do it. So we're going to look at measure angle G there. So you have to tap B, point B. Oops, let's try that again. Let's see. Did that go? I'll make sure it went. Okay, so tap point B, point G, and then point E. No, something is going on. We're not. Okay, there we go. Okay, so tap angle again, and then see where it's popping, that's angle, and then tap B, G, and E. Okay, so right there, and notice you can't really see it, so you scroll up and hit the move tool in the basic right there, okay, and then grab it and just pull it up. So we see that's 50.1. So if H is the same angle, that means we have our line is parallel. So let's do that. Go back to the measure. So we're going to measure the angle again. So hit G, point C, H, and G. Okay. And again, you can't really see it. Do the move button. And it's not quite parallel. It's about 0.4 off. So what we do is go to the move tool again, click the move tool, and then we can move, we can actually move it so there, oops, I want to get it about 50 if we can, 50, and then make that 52. Might take a little skill there, but we can. I think you can actually type it in too as well, but this gives you an idea. Oops, there, 50, oh, shoot. I'm going to use my thumb here, might be better. I'm like off by, all right, let's see. Right, we got it. So now it's parallel. So that's good. So now we know it's parallel. And then for the questions, the remaining questions, you're going to have to do that for every angle. So this would be your corresponding angles. So you take a picture of this, okay? Screenshot it, and then paste it into the question. So you show me that you checked it and you have the correct angle. So everyone's going to have a different angle, but the purpose here is to show me those angles are the same. So you're going to have to go through and give me alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding same side, and then the angles that are adjacent to each other makes a supplementary or 180 degrees. So those are the ones that you'll have to do too as well that we haven't looked at. So what I mean is, if you look at the tools here, I'm going to switch it here to a pointer. Actually, I'll use this. So this angle here, so I'm going to make that red here. This angle here and that angle there, that plus that should give 180. This plus that should give you 180. That angle plus this angle. So this angle plus this angle right here should give you 180. This angle plus this angle should give you 80. That angle and that angle, 180. And that angle and this angle should be 180. Okay? So go ahead and use that to help you out constructing. And that's it. And I'll see you next time. Bye.